Respected sir and madam, a present good morning to one and all. My name is Vaishnavi. I am pursuing 10th standard. Today I am telling one seminar in front of great people like you. My seminar subject is biology and my seminar topic is respiration, the energy producing system. Do you know friends what is meant by respiration? Yes, absolutely correct. Respiration means the producing of food materials broken into small pieces to reduce energy is known as respiration. Do you know friends what is the definition of inspiration? Yes, inspiration means nothing but inhaling air. The air or water vapor is taken into the respiratory organ is known as inspiration. Do you know what is the definition of expiration? Yes, of course. Expiration means nothing but exhaling air. The air or water vapor is sent out of the respiratory organ is known as expiration. There are two types of respiration, aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration is nothing but presence of oxygen. Oxidation to glucose will be takes place in aerobic respiration. In aerobic respiration, plants and will be occur. The chemical equation of aerobic respiration is C6H12O6 plus 6O2 gives rise to 6H2O plus 686 kilocalories. Now I am telling again friends, C6H12O6 plus 6H2O gives rise to 6CO2 plus 686 kilocalories. In anaerobic respiration, absence of oxygen will be takes place. Oxidation to glucose will not take place. In anaerobic respiration, anaerobic bacteria and human muscle cells will be occur. The chemical equation of anaerobic respiration is 6CO2 plus 2H2O gives rise to 2CO2 plus 56 kilocalories. Now I am telling about 5 events of respiration. There are 5 events of respiration. Breathing, gases exchange at lungs level, gases transport by blood, gases exchange at tissue level, cellular respiration. Breathing. Breathing is nothing but inhaling and exhaling air. Gases exchange at lungs level. Exchange of gases alveoli from blood. This process is called diffusion. Diffusion is nothing but the process of exchanging of gases is known as diffusion. Next, gases transport by blood. Exchange of gases from blood capillaries to cells return the carbon dioxide. Gases exchange at tissue level. Exchange of gases from carbon dioxide to from blood and from blood to carbon dioxide. Cellular respiration. Cellular respiration is the best example of mitochondria. This is the picture of mitochondria. It is also known as powerhouse of the cell. This is the outer membrane. This is inner membrane. This is cristae. This is matrix. Matrix has present ATP. ATP is nothing but adenosine triphosphate. Now I am telling about pathway of air. When we are taking air, it will be enters into the nostrils to nasal cavity to pharynx to larynx to trachea to bronchi to bronchioles to alveoli to blood. This process is called pathway of air. First of all, I will tell about epiglottis. Epiglottis is a muscular valve to control air and food to process the respiratory organ. When we are taking food, epiglottis will be closed. When we are taking breathing, that's time epiglottis will be opened. Next, combustion, burning of oxygen and water molecules to produce heat is known as combustion. Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is nothing but photochemical reaction. The chemical equation of photosynthesis is 6CO2 plus 12H2O in the formation of sunlight and chlorophyll, C6H12O6 plus 6H2O plus 6O2. Now I am telling again 6CO2 plus 12H2O in the formation of sunlight and chlorophyll, C6H12O6 plus 6O2 plus 6H2O. Next, first of all, I will tell about experiment of yeast. Aim to prove that CO2 in anaerobic respiration. Materials required: yeast, liquid paraffin, Janus Greenbee, thermometer, delivery tube, Janus Greenbee. Procedure: first of all, prepare a glucose solution and remove oxygen from glucose solution for an boiling of 1 minute. Next, cool it and without shaking. Add a yeast, liquid paraffin, Janus Greenbee and put a delivery test tube. It will be convert one test tube to another test tube. It will be solution called bicarbonate solution, and put the thermometer and note the readings. Here we want to prove that CO2 in anaerobic respiration. This process is called fermentation process. Fermentation process is nothing but absence of oxygen in pyruvic acid, called fermentation. Mechanism in respiration: when we are taking breathing, the volume of diaphragm will be increased. When we are taking exhale oxygen, the volume of diaphragm will be decreased. Next, this is the picture of movement in diaphragm. Next, aeration of fruits. Aeration of fruits. Aerial to prove the against of geotrophism towards the phototrophism. It will be present in West Bengal in Sundarban Delta. To prove the mangrove roots in aerial roots. Aerial roots is also prove that phototrophism. Thanking you for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thanking you for spending a valuable time for listening my seminar. Stay home, stay safe.